Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDRA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one. Big gap down and then huge volume. But overall, an interesting day from a price action standpoint. It's hard to see, though. So what I have to do because of just the big gap down is I'm going to go ahead and squeeze this over, and then you'll see it much better. But you can see that overall, a pretty impressive bounce. When you stop to think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there. Now the price has been able to battle back. Now, of course, there's still a lot more work that needs to be done. But the point here being, price has made a nice move, but that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at $1.88. Now, why is $1.88 important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that level, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that move back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas if the price, now to be fair, no price can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, the difference being then starts to curl back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as that $1.88 mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, public enemy number one moving forward, going to be all about that level right up there at the 206 mark. If you look closely, you can see it actually got rejected right there. That's barely on the screen, I think, and then it did get rejected again right there. So keep a close eye on that. But overall, impressive bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon that momentum next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.